Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, January 15th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I thought I'd do a video to show you why it is important to rank up to bronze when you join LiveGood. Okay? Now you can come in here and pay your $40 affiliate fee and then the $9.95 monthly membership fee and be good to go. Alright? You can sit back, relax, you don't have to do anything, and over time your matrix will fill up. Alright, of course there's no guarantees of this. All the disclaimers are down in the description box. However, with the growth this company is seeing right now, there is no doubt in my mind that everyone who joins this company right now is going to make money in the future with this, okay? It might not be right away. It might be 6 months down the road. It might be a year. It might be 2 or 3 years. I don't know, alright? But I want to show you why it is important to rank up to bronze. And I also want to show you how quick our team is growing, okay? So why I am on this screen here, I'm going to refresh this, all right? And you can see up here, this is my site, Russ. And right here, the total team that I have right now is 185 people below me in the matrix, okay? And this is a combination of personal referrals and referrals from my personal referrals and so on, okay? So if I pull out my calculator right now, and 185, all right, we get paid 2.5% of everybody in the matrix. So that's a quarter. That would be $46.25 monthly just on matrix commissions that I have right now. Okay? So it's $49.95 for your first month. Right now, just with the growth our team is having, I have that membership covered. Okay, pretty much. Alright, so I have update videos that I've done. You can check them out. And on my 10-day update video, I had 27 total team members. On my 2-week update video, I had 63 team members. And this past Wednesday was my 3-week that I've been in the company. And I had 173 people on my team in the matrix, okay? Now I'm up to 185. So basically, let's just say 3 weeks, right? 185, divide that by 3. You're looking at about 62 members are joining every single week. And it's actually more than that now. I think we're pretty close. We're closer to getting 7 or 10 people a day is what my numbers have been going up the last couple of days. And it's only going to go up even more moving forward, okay, as more and more people find out about this. When you figure there's about 7,000 people in the company right now, and Ben Glinsky, the CEO and the founder, is predicting that we're going to have over 1 million people by the end of this year. So this is just the beginning, folks, okay? This is just, the majority of people do not know about LiveGood. So there's no better time to join an opportunity like this than right in the beginning. All right, so there's plenty of time to still join, lock yourself into the matrix, and then you're going to have people fall under you over time. All right, now I have a friend of mine who has been marketing online for several years. He never has made much money, and he signed up, and he already has 5 people under him in the matrix, all right, which is super cool. So everybody's winning that I know of in this company. All right, and I'm just going to show you my team here and what my matrix looks like currently. Alright, you can see here I have 11 personally enrolled customers and affiliates, 5 which came in this month. But if you go down here to all my levels, you'll see that just this month alone, I have 150 new members and affiliates underneath me. Alright, just this month. Alright, so it doesn't count the ones from December 21st until the end of December. All right, for a total of 185 people. And this is what my matrix looks like. All right, look at this, folks. I got people all the way down to my 13th level. All right. So, I mean, the growth this company is having is absolutely incredible. Like I mentioned this before in my videos, I've been doing this for 16 years. I've never seen anything like this in the network marketing industry. All right, that's no joke. This is like, it's spreading like wildfire. All right. So now I'm going to show you the reason why it's important to get 2 people when you sign up. All right, like I mentioned, you can come in here, stay unranked. You don't have to do anything. Now, as an on-ranked person, you're going to get 50%. So that means you bring in 1 person, you're going to make $25 fast start commission, okay? But as far as the matrix goes, you can be unranked and earn up to 12 levels deep without doing anything. And that would be $2,047.50. However, if you refer 2 people, you become a bronze member. All right, and this can be a spouse, an adult child, a family member, a friend, anybody that you know that is looking to supplement their income and or get healthy. You can show them LiveGood, right? The products are great. I am drinking the Super Reds right now, so I highly recommend the products. And I mean, the company's great. The team behind it, everything is just awesome. So if you refer 2 people, now on your Fast Start commissions, you're going to get 50% of all your personal enrollees and 10% of all of their personal enrollees. Okay? So just think about that. And then when you move down here to the matrix, it's going to open up a whole nother level where you can double your monthly income. Okay? So you can go from $2,047.50 to $4,095.50 just by referring 2 people. All right, so it's super important. I mean, obviously, it's fine if you want to come in here and just not do anything and sit back and be patient and wait for, 6 months to a year, maybe longer, who knows. But the real go-getters are coming in here. They're signing up family members. They're signing up friends. They're telling everybody they know about this, and they're ranking up to bronze. All right, just because it opens up a whole new level of the matrix, where you can double your money. All right, so if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're interested in our business opportunity, you can click the link down in the description. You'll be taken over to a page that looks just like this. All right, there is a 5-minute and 55-second video here that goes over everything about the company that you need to know. Then to reserve your position, you just put your first, last name, and email address, and make sure that this is a valid email address. Don't put a fake email address, because you want to be getting the information that the company is going to send you. And then click reserve my position now. So our team is just growing like crazy. I don't know how many people I can't even predict how many people I'm going to have underneath me in the next month or 2, but it's going to be crazy. All right. So anyway, this is the place to be in 2023. You're going to want to hop on board and not pass this up. Even if you just join, you can join and pay for a year up front and save 20%. Even if you join this and forget about it and check back in a year, you're going to have something down in your matrix below you. All right, so what I'm doing for all my personal referrals is I am taking your page that looks like this, I'm putting it into our team rotator, and I'm driving traffic to it every single day. All right, and this is just something to help jumpstart your business for you. So again, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a great deal, and I highly, highly appreciate it. All right, so I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.